What up, guys? Your boy Jeff delivers. Another day, another dollar. Today's a light day, as you can see. It's not too bad. Got 102 stops, so we should crank it out pretty quick. I had to run up this big ol' hill. Woo! Ooh, porta potty actually need to go. Those are my favorites. It was this one. Okay, lost my balance there a little. By the way, this is brand new to me. Basically, it makes it easier to turn. I learned this like 3 days ago. It's like a little toy. Just put the hazards on, and I gotta go take a piss. And you gotta go, you gotta go. Whew. Feel a lot better now. Oh, we got a gas station here to deliver to. Hello, would you like this? Alrighty. And could I get a signature? Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And last name? Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. Have a great one. I appreciate it.
Boom, boom, boom.